When you want to close the file, this is just like all the other Microsoft products. You click that little X up here. If you want to minimize, you click that, and that allows you to move it around. See, I've got the notes behind here. If you need it to take up less of your screen, but we want the whole thing here. This is another handy little feature. When you're clicked in a cell, across the top, these are called columns, and these are rows. And just remember, column, like a column on a building, a Greek column, are up and down, and the rows are sideways. And whenever, see up here, it's telling us where we are. So the cursor's in B1, and just sometimes you need to. So this is called the address bar because it tells you where the address is. And this is called the formula bar because this is where the formulas will display. This is also where whatever you've got in a cell will display up here. So let's say we type that in that cell. When you click in there, what's in that cell displays up here. And you can edit up here. It's often easier to edit up here than it is to edit in the cell. And if you need to know, if you want to have a carriage return, which I'm not sure they call it that anymore, but in the cell. See, because if you just hit enter, you go to a different cell. It takes you down. But if you wanted to write something in there and you needed to return, you can hold the Alt key down on your keyboard and hold it down when you press enter, and that lets you have a. So on your formula bar, this little arrow here on the side, when you press it, it opens it up. And if you've typed a lot into your cell and you can't see it all up here, you can, when you click this, it'll open to where you can see it all. You've got these little symbols here. The X, if you've got a formula in there, the X will delete it for you. I don't have anything in there.